Hi everyone, and thank you for watching our video tutorial on how to reset your Apple iPad back to factory settings. This is brought to you by sellyourbadapples.com, your online buyback resource for all of those unwanted Apple products. Today we're going to start by heading over to our Settings app. From here you will select the General tab and then select the Reset at the bottom of the screen. You're going to want to choose Erase All Content and Settings so that it will reset back to factory settings. Here it's going to ask you if you really want to erase your iPad. It will also ask you for your numeric digit passcode if you have one at this time. Select Erase again. The iPad will now erase, and then you will see it power down and then power back up, where it will then return to the setup screen. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.